How does a bird with a brain smaller than a pea fly thousands of kilometers and return to the exact same tree, the exact same branch, the exact same nest? No map, no GPS, no memory big enough to hold the planet, and yet it never gets lost. For decades, scientists had no answer until they stopped looking at geography and started looking at physics. Inside a bird's eye lives a rare protein called cryptochrome. When sunlight hits it, especially blue light, electrons inside this protein are knocked into motion. For a brief, fragile moment, those electrons enter a quantum-linked state, and Earth's magnetic field interferes with that reaction. The result is unsettling. The bird doesn't calculate direction, it sees it. A faint, shifting visual pattern, aligned with the planet's magnetic field, overlaid directly onto its vision. North and south aren't ideas, they're visible. And that's only half the system. Inside the bird's beak are microscopic crystals of magnetite, natural iron. They physically align with Earth's magnetic field, acting like a biological compass. The eyes see the field, the beak feels the pull. Vision and force fused into one sense. The bird doesn't wonder where to go. The planet tells it. We call this instinct because the truth is harder to accept. Some creatures aren't navigating Earth. They're wired into it. And maybe the most disturbing part isn't that birds can see what we can't. It's that Earth is always giving directions, and we're one of the few species that can't hear them.